Hi everyone, and welcome to summer in the Netherlands. Currently we're going through, I don't know if it's an official heat wave, but through a very warm and dry period. As you can tell, it just looks warm already. It has been around 30 degrees or 30 plus degrees for the past couple of days. For more than over 10 days, I feel like. And we have had a shortage of rain. There's going to be warm days ahead of us for the next 4 or 5 days. It's going to be plus 30 degrees as well. And today is actually one of the first days in maybe the first out of 10 that I can see clouds in the sky again. It has been cloudless and just sunny all day with the sun beating down on you. And I guess what I'm trying to say is that it really makes my photography quite hard. I work during the day and busy with other stuff during the day, which really exhausts you. It makes you so tired because of this heat that the moments that the heat is not there as much is in the early morning or in the evenings. You're just gassed and out of energy to do anything even. And the light is just so harsh and bright that it's just not that inspiring to go out these days. My nose is running. It's a tale of a bit of a hay fever, I guess. Even though it's mid-June, there's still quite some pollen in the air. And yeah, I always struggle this time of year for my photography. Summer is nice. I like summer. I like the sun, but only up to a certain point. And this is well beyond my limit, pretty much. Today is quite nice, otherwise I would not have been standing here making this video, obviously. I guess it's around 20, 27, 26 degrees. Yeah, like that. That is my max, my absolute max. There's a little bit of wind, and as I say, today there's luckily some clouds, so sometimes the sun dips behind them and it makes such a difference in the way it feels. And I have been shooting some photography recently. Well, not the past couple of days as much, but the past couple of weeks when it was not that warm. I have been shooting a lot locally, which was kind of nice to do. I rediscovered some places and found some new spots in the area, also in Germany and Belgium, just over the border, which were really nice. But all that I can think of right now is escaping this weather and doing the workshops that my friend Paul and I do in Iceland and the Faroe Islands and Norway, and escape this heat for a bit. That's pretty much going through my mind. But for now I just have to deal with this. And you know, if you're into summer as a tourist or as a non-photographer, I bet that this is the time of the year that you are waiting for and look forward to and enjoy the most. And I have to admit, it is kind of nice to be outside if you're going for a swim or, you know, enjoy really hot weather. But the thing with photography is that, as I said before, at the end of the day, when the temperatures drop and the light get a lot nicer, you're just drained. Lack of energy, and waking up at 4 a.m. or whatever for sunrise is also something that you know, that will cost you quite some energy. And I think I should do that more, actually. There's always okay to push yourself, but it's just the time that I struggle with, because during the day all I can do is, or I want to do, is get away from the heat. So avoid the outdoors. And even if I go outside, the light is just so harsh. I mean, it is rather nice outside here, don't get me wrong. It's still beautiful and you can still get quite some images, but it's just not for me, you know. I need the moody, cold landscapes. So you would say that this video is basically about me being a wuss and complaining about actual nice summer weather. And if you think that, you're probably right, for the most part. I want to end this short video because there was not really going to be a photography video today. But take the time to address the photography workshops that I have on offer for this summer still. 2 tours in Iceland. In July I'm heading to the West Fjords together with my friend Paul, and in August also with my friend Paul we're going to the East Fjords in Iceland, so northwest in July and southeast mainly, and a bit of northeast actually. In Iceland is the schedule for this summer, and I know I'm really looking forward to that. Temperature wise it's not going to be as warm in Iceland, still potentially summerish with some sun and sometimes around 20 degrees in the East Fjords, for example. We're going to be photographing puffins, all types of landscapes, a couple of canyons, beaches, waterfalls. Same in the West Fjords, beautiful waterfalls there, nice fjords with small tiny villages in there. Really, really beautiful areas. And we have a couple of spots left on both tours before they sell out. So this is my invite to you to join both Paul and myself in Iceland this summer. And I guess, other than complaining about the weather, that's what I wanted to say in this video. I will walk back to the car right now, and maybe if I get a shot that is worthy taking here and before I overheat, I will share it with you. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.